How to save InShot draft videos in your gallery. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily save your InShot draft videos in your camera roll. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your InShot app, and if you have any draft videos available, you will see this little clock icon right up on the video icon. And if you tap on it, you will find all of your drafts here. So as you can see, I have 3 drafts. And if you tap on the 3 lines besides any video, you will have an option to delete the draft, copy the draft, or rename it. So if you want to download it to your gallery, you just have to tap on the video that you want to download, and from here you'll get the export button at the top right corner. Just tap on export and then tap on allow, and once you do that you can adjust your resolution, your frame rate, and your format. After doing that, just click on export and it will be saved to your gallery. If this video was helpful to you, hit the like button below and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.